Hey guys, welcome back. First of all, sorry for the late update. I have been asking my private members and even on my free Telegram channel, I've been asking people to please be patient. Basically, since Bitcoin started retracing from this red zone here, I haven't been very active because actually I said this to my members the other day. When you're doing technical analysis, like you're looking for like evidence to build your case, and the more evidence, the stronger the case. But I didn't have like many like very strong technical analysis signals to be making calls. So I was leaning more to the side that this green area was consolidation accumulation because, well, first of all, this drop is really huge compared to how much it went up compared to the previous cycle here. And not only that, this 33,000 low here held as bottom for long enough. So usually when price consolidates at the bottom, it means continuation, and in this case continuation would have been in the downside like it happened. But once the low holds for like too long, then I understand this consolidation accumulation. So I was more leaning to that side, but I didn't have like really a strong technical analysis signals to like be calling for this for sure. So I have been asking people to just be patient and wait. I'm not going away, don't worry. I have been checking the charts like regularly. I just didn't have a lot to say. I definitely couldn't make calls. I couldn't really call it in the upside, in the downside. I was just waiting for something to show on the charts. And now finally we had a move. So now I have something to talk about, even if it went down, but at least there's some action on the chart, so I can share my views on this. So before we had this drop, actually I did tell members when we were close to the 33,000 low, I said, look, if we right now we are too close to the 33, so if we break this low, I would say the next most obvious support is going to be these lows here from June, July last year here. So I would expect to get here. It's not a target, it's just a support area. And sure enough, we went down here and we are finding support here in this area. Now, it's not like I was saying before, there's bottoming signals, but I don't know if they're strong enough to call the bottom. Mainly the volume, like all the volume happens at the bottom, and if we go to smaller time frames, we can see all the volume is at the bottom. Usually when the volume is on the breakdown, if we had the highest volume here on the when it's breaking down, then yeah, it's likely that's not capitulation, that's breakdown volume. But when the volume happens right at the bottom, it's usually capitulation volume, and on the daily it looks very much like capitulation candle as well. So we have this. We also have the fear and greed here. According to the fear and greed index, I'm not a huge fan of this indicator, but it's right more often than not. So let me refresh this. I'm not sure this is from today. So right now there's extreme fear, and I'm pretty sure 9 is the all-time low. So if we go to the max here, well, that's one a little bit lower here. But basically this is very, very close to the all-time low here. So there's really extreme fear on the market. That's capitulation candle and capitulation volume. Again, the volume is not like the strongest signal, because it could, for capitulation volume, it could be much higher than this. I said that for members the other day as well. So it's not like I'm 90% sure we bottomed, but there's some signs that this could be the bottom. Now, if this was not the bottom, then the most obvious next support, if we were gonna continue to crash, then the next most obvious support, what I would be calling the bottom, I think for sure, is around 20,000 for the peak of this previous cycle here, and I think this would be extreme. I'm like 80-90% I would be calling this the bottom if we reach 20k or close. But for now, this could have been the bottom. So what I'm doing personally, of course, everyone's situation is going to be different, but what I'm doing personally, because I have been exposed to Bitcoin for many years now, I'm well exposed. I have more Bitcoin than cash or cash investments. So I'm not like in the rush to buy more, but if we do hit 20,000, I'm gonna be using cash to buy more Bitcoin. For now, I'm just waiting. But if I wasn't exposed enough, if I felt that I didn't have enough Bitcoin and I still have buying power, I would be buying from now. All this green area, I would have been buying already. So that's my opinion on the markets. I think whether we crash from here or we bounce and go up, I think action is going to pick up now in the market, so you can expect more updates from me. And again, don't worry, I'm not going anywhere like last year. I'm regularly checking the charts and I'm on top of it. I just hate sharing content, blabbing about nothing like many people do on YouTube. I don't like doing that. So, but I'm checking the charts and I'll be updating when I have something relevant to say about the markets. So if you're interested, join the free Telegram channel here. I'm giving 1 month of free paid memberships, free paid membership to one person every day here. So I post this once a day. First person to reply this message gets 1 month free membership. I will do this once a day until I decide to end this promo. Can use one time per person only. So the first person to replies gets 1 month of free membership. And another thing, be careful guys, if you join here, someone on my private groups yesterday sent me a private message warning me about this. There's someone texting people using my logo and my free channel's name here, like it's me, saying hello and probably asking for money or for crypto, I don't know. But be careful, I never ask for money or crypto on my free Telegram channel, especially on a private message. Like I've never asked for money or crypto to anyone, so don't send it to anyone using my logo and my name. And another thing, I only text from my official account. If you click it, you will see here under username, you will see my official name is Dope Forever. So if you don't see this, it means it's not me. So be careful with that. Another thing, I'm gonna go back to schedule probably. I mean, I think the markets are gonna pick up now, so I'll come back to schedule to uploading every Tuesday for YouTube, maybe more than once a week if there's action in the markets. But yeah, that's the plan. And then some daily content for premium members. So that's all for now. Thank you again for watching and see you very soon. Bye.